Ever wondered what it feels like to live 30,000 feet above without ever leaving the ground? Imagine transforming a giant metal bird, a Boeing 727, into a cozy, earthbound nest. Today, delve into the remarkable journey of converting a retired airplane into a unique and livable home. Start with the Boeing 727 itself, a marvel of engineering designed for commercial flights, now resting silently, awaiting its transformation. The first step involves gutting the interior, stripping away rows of cramped seating and overhead bins to create a blank canvas. This process isn't just about removal, it's about envisioning the space not as a vessel for passengers, but as a future home. Next, address the challenge of utilities. Unlike traditional homes, an airplane isn't designed with connections for water, electricity, or sewage. Innovative solutions come into play here. For electricity, solar panels are installed on the wings and fuselage, harnessing the sun's power. Water tanks are mounted beneath the cargo area, and a compact, eco-friendly septic system is integrated, ensuring the home is both functional and sustainable. Now consider the interior design. The curved walls and narrow body of the Boeing 727 inspire creative layout and furniture choices. Custom-built furniture follows the airplane's contours, providing both comfort and efficiency. The cockpit transforms into an office with a panoramic view, where one can work as if piloting through the clouds. Lighting plays a pivotal role in turning the cold metal interior into a warm living space. LED strips line the original overhead compartments, now repurposed as storage, casting a soft glow that highlights the sleek, modern aesthetic. But what truly makes this Boeing 727 home remarkable? It's the retention of its original elements. The emergency exits now serve as quirky windows, and the flight deck remains intact, a nod to the home's high-flying past. In summary, the transformation of a Boeing 727 into a home is a feat of vision and ingenuity. From installing essential utilities to customizing the interior, every step reflects a commitment to sustainability, functionality, and a touch of whimsy. This project isn't just about building a living space, it's about reimagining what a home can be, proving that with a bit of creativity, the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning.